Hi guys, welcome to Zicopedia IT Info. Today I want to show you that how you can unlock or bypass Technicolor Etisalat Android TV box DWI259S. I have a USB of 64 GB. Okay, I put the USB into the USB port. Look at my computer, inside my computer, and this is your USB Zicopedia FAT32, and this is not showing any disk space or any other thing. This is corrupted USB like. If you try to open it, it will say that the format disk because this is corrupt USB. Do you format it? Then it will format no format it because this is a bootable USB for your Android 9.0. So this is USB, not copying Apple. You need to this USB flash drive for your Android 9.0. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell key. Thanks for watching.